Run.
Are you ready?
Shut up and sit down.
안녕하세요, 여러분. 저는 선생님입니다. If you watched yesterday's video, you will know that I had some hair clippers delivered to my home, my father's home, and I cut my hair. Two pieces of vocabulary that you will need to know. Mop. So this is a mop for cleaning a floor, but mop is also used to describe a bad hairstyle. And the second piece of vocabulary, bin bag. Kunzai's seregi bongtu. Big black bin bag. I look like a mad scientist. But I've got my hair clippers. Okay. So, that was next day delivery. Very fast. Let's see what we've got inside here. Get rid of that. Okay, looks okay. Ooh. Very slim model. I'm not doing a product review, but now I can deal with this mop. Yes. I've made a shirt out of a bin bag. I look like a superhero. Bin bag man! So I think I've just created a new superhero. Bin bag man! Oh, it's starting to rain. Bin bag man doesn't like the rain.
Run.
I'm a little bit nervous about this. I've done it before, but this is the first time I've used these clippers. Oh! Thanks for watching. Quite nice.
Shut up and sit down.